Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to watch Canadian Netflix in India. If you've ever wanted to access the Canadian Netflix library while being in India, this guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a simple process using a VPN, and I'll explain everything in an easy-to-follow way. Remember to check the link in the description to go to the VPN's website and create an account. Netflix offers different content libraries in different countries due to licensing agreements. Some shows and movies that are available on Canadian Netflix may not be accessible in India. By using a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, you can virtually change your location to Canada and unlock the Canadian Netflix catalogue. The VPN I recommend for this is NordVPN because it's fast, secure, and works well with Netflix. If you don't already have NordVPN, click the link in the description to sign up and download the app. Once you've signed up, download the app on your device. NordVPN is available for computers, smartphones, tablets, and even smart TVs, so you can choose the device you want to use for streaming. After installing the app, open it and log in with your account details. You will see a map interface with different server locations and a search bar. Type Canada in the search bar or scroll through the list of countries to find Canada. Once you've found it, click on the Canadian server and then click the Connect button. The app will notify you once you're successfully connected to a Canadian server. Once you're connected to the VPN, open the Netflix app or go to the Netflix website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Refresh the page or restart the app to ensure that the location change takes effect. You should now see the Canadian Netflix library with all its exclusive content. Search for a show or movie that you know is available on Canadian Netflix and start streaming. The VPN ensures a stable connection so you can enjoy high-quality streaming without interruptions. If you encounter any issues, such as Netflix not loading properly, try disconnecting and reconnecting to a different Canadian server in the NordVPN app. Sometimes, switching servers can resolve the problem. This method works on all devices, whether you're using a computer, a smartphone, or a smart TV. If you're using computer device, just open the NordVPN app, connect to a Canadian server, and then launch the Netflix app. The steps are exactly the same, and you'll have access to Canadian Netflix on the go. To ensure you continue to enjoy Canadian Netflix, keep the VPN connected while you're streaming. If you want to return to the Indian Netflix library, simply disconnect from the VPN, and Netflix will automatically switch back to the Indian version. That's it. Make sure to check the link in the description to go to NordVPN's website and create an account.